Before starting calibration, differential correction must be configured. When the differential status on the main interface turns green and the signal latency is less than 5, keep the vehicle stopped and ensure the area within 50 meters ahead and 5 meters on both sides is clear. Enter the main interface, tap the fold menu at the lower left, and tap Settings to enter the Settings menu. Tap Vehicle Calibration to enter the Vehicle Calibration page. In the Installation Error Calibration subpage, tap Start Calibration to begin. Tap Start and drive at 2 to 3 km per hour. The motor will take over the steering, and the vehicle will enter autopilot mode and move forward automatically. The travel distance will be shown on the screen. When distance from starting point exceeds 30 meters, stop the vehicle and tap Next. Autopilot mode will exit and enter Step 3. Manually drive the vehicle forward about 10 meters. Then turn around. And return to the red line shown on the main interface. Tap Next. Autopilot mode will activate and enter Step 4. Drive at 2 to 3 km per hour. The motor will take over the steering and the vehicle will move forward automatically. When distance from starting point is less than 1 meter, stop the vehicle and tap Finish to complete calibration. The interface will display calibrated successfully.